Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here once again to check out the latest construction progress around the stadium. From new installations to structural progress, we'll check every corner and catch all the details you don't want to miss. So, let's dive right in and see all the latest updates around the stadium. At the north goal, activity is minimal today. Workers are conducting surface inspections and minor alignment checks on the facade. The glass areas show no major changes, and no new structural elements have been added on the upper levels. Progress here remains slow, with only small adjustments carried out to maintain readiness for upcoming installations. In the sections where ceramic louvres have already been installed, the work appears nearly finalized. The ceramic pieces are fully fitted, aligned, and secured to their metal support rails. Minor finishing tasks remain, such as cleaning the surface and verifying the stability of the mounting points. This area presents one of the most visibly advanced elements of the stadium exterior. The stand structure receives attention as upper frames are inspected, minor reinforcements applied, and service ducts adjusted in preparation for future installation and alignment work. On the roof structure, only light activity is visible today. Workers are inspecting connection joints, checking alignment, and examining the perimeter panels. Several sections of the upper structure are fully assembled, while other areas still require closure plates and finishing pieces. Although progress is slower compared to previous weeks, the roof remains structurally stable with ongoing quality checks. At the south goal, progress remains steady but with limited visible changes. The Louvre support structures are in place, and the brackets underneath are secured, yet the upper anchoring elements are still pending. Overall, the south goal remains in preparation mode while awaiting key components. In the Tribuna area, teams are working mainly on interior routing, cable organization, and technical installations related to services. On the facade side, crews are adjusting metallic framing and checking the alignment of support rails. Some zones are also undergoing finishing work, such as leveling and edge correction of concrete surfaces. The Tribuna shows moderate but continuous advancement across multiple subsections. The parking area shows ongoing ground preparation. Workers are adjusting soil levels, compacting the base, and marking pathways for vehicle routing. Some areas are being cleared for drainage installations and service pipes. Machinery movement indicates active progress, but the layout is still in foundational stages. No final surfacing or paving has been applied yet. The ramp area is also active, with edges refined, structural reinforcement checked, and surfaces prepared for concrete or finishing layers. The club store area shows progress mainly in interior organization. Workers are arranging internal fixtures, adjusting mounts for displays, and verifying electrical points. From the exterior, no major new elements are visible. But inside, the setup is gradually taking shape. This section is moving toward readiness as interior installations continue. Today's work shows steady progress across the stadium. Key structures are in place. Supports and brackets are mostly installed. Ramp and lateral zones continue with material preparation and surface work. Louvres are being installed, and adjustments are ongoing to ensure proper alignment. Overall, the stadium is steadily taking shape. If you enjoyed today's update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing detailed stadium progress update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next walkthrough.